Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to display media change notification on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now choose here the setup button. From the setup, so from the list of settings, let's choose general, so the last icon with the gear icon. Then all you need to do is select here from the left menu the media settings. So you need to scroll down from this left side and select media settings. And as you can see here, you can find the display media change notification. Currently it's active in my case. So whenever a new music track starts playing on Spotify, Apple Music, on the radio, a small drop-down banner will momentarily flash at the top of the screen to show the song name and artist before hiding away. I think it's quite useful. I like to have this feature enabled. You can of course turn it off by using this checkbox. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.